Hi Group 1, here are your spelling words for your test this week. Number 1 is clay. In our class, we have been working with clay. Clay. Number 2 is stand. Please stand in line. Stand. Number 3 is brave. I would describe the hero in the story as brave. Brave. Number 4 is stay. Please stay in your seat until your group is called. Stay. Number 5 is raise. Please raise your hand if you would like to answer the question. Raise. Number 6 is play. I'm so excited to play soccer today. Play. Number 7 is grain. When we went to the beach, I tried to pick up a grain of sand. Grain. Number 8 is trade. Remember, you cannot trade your food during lunch. Trade. Number 9 is nail. I helped my dad build the garage by passing him a nail. Nail. Number 10 is glass. Please get out the cleaner so we can clean the glass window. Glass. Number 11 is taste. I love the taste of coffee. Taste. Number 12 is past. In history, we often study the past. Past. Number 13 is shape. What shape do you see on the board? Shape. Number 14 is your surprise word. Your surprise word for this week is day. I go to work during the day. Day.